What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. I'm going to show you 4 different microphones that work with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, these phones most likely and probably will also work with other Samsung Galaxy phones as well. The cool thing is if you buy one of these through Amazon, which I'll have linked down below for these microphones, if it doesn't work or you don't like it, you can return it within 30 days, get your money back, and you should be able to be fine. But ultimately, these ones definitely, without a doubt, work with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and they should also work with other Galaxies as well. So the first one that I'm using here is the Samson G Track Pro. It's $130 at the time of making this video. It is personally my main microphone that I personally use on almost everything that I do. And you would want this specific microphone, which I'll lift up, this one right here, because of the quality of the sound. The sound of it, I think, sounds amazing. I think it sounds really, really good. And you get this professional sound. It works with your computer. But if you're wanting to create videos at your home, maybe you're doing a YouTube channel, or maybe you're just wanting to do kind of like self-talking pieces, this is great. And obviously I can hide it better. And you can kind of put it away too as well. Like maybe you don't want to see it all. I have it completely hidden. Now it might not be as loud and it is indirect as what I sounded when it was closer to my mouth, but still, it still sounds good. It's a great microphone. Link down below, works great. And again, this is what it sounds like with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. One thing I did want to mention is that with this Samson G Track Pro, you do have to use an adapter because the microphone's just straight up USB and that's not going to fit into your Galaxy phone. You'll need a USB to USB-C adapter. I'm using the one that came with one of my older Galaxy phones from the past. I'll link one down below that'll also work in case you want to get this microphone with your phone. Next, we have this microphone, which is the Rode NT USB mini microphone. Goes for $100. That's what it looks like. Now, this microphone works very similarly to the way that the Samsung G Track Pro uses, in that you're going to have it right in front of you. You're not going to use it for vlogging. You're going to use it really for standing talking pieces in a inside spot. I mean, you could use it outside, but I mean, they're really just for, voiceovers, or if you want to do kind of what I'm doing and be right in front of the camera indoors, it's going to work great in that environment. This one is great because you can buy a USB-C to USB-C cord or use one from your phone, plug it directly into the phone, and you don't need any adapters because on this side right here, it's USB-C. And then again, if you get a USB-C on the other end, then you can plug it directly into your phone. But this is what the Rode NT USB Mini sounds like. $30 cheaper than the G Track Pro. And it could be another option for you. And it works great with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is probably the easiest solution and the most convenient. And this is the Rode VideoMic C directional microphone. What makes this great is it plugs directly into the USB-C port of your phone. It comes with a wind muff. You can use it indoors, outdoors, on the go if you're vlogging. You can use it when you're doing these, standing talking pieces. You can do them anywhere. That's why I really, really like this one. This is usually my go-to microphone just because of the use case, the sound quality, and that's pretty much it. And the price too. The price isn't actually that bad. It's only $79 for this microphone. They also sell it in a vlogger kit. So you get the microphone, you get a selfie stick, some lights, and it's actually a really, really good quality overall package, and you should check that out as well. But this is this version of it, the Rode USB-C directional microphone. How do you think it sounds versus the previous 3? Let me know. And the last one is this. It's the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. So the way this works is it connects to your phone. You will need a adapter. I'll put all the links down below for all of these things, the adapters and everything for the microphones that you'll need in the description. And then you get this little thing right here. There's a microphone built in this, but this is super versatile. So you can use this and connect it to something like this. So you have a wireless microphone. You literally put it in this and it looks like you have a recording microphone. So you could use your phone as the camera. You could use, or even just as the audio receiver to record the audio and walk around like you're a reporter and do something like that. You can attach a wireless lavalier or a wired lavalier microphone to this and use it like that. It's super versatile. There's crazy amounts of ways to use this microphone. It's definitely the most versatile out of all of these, but it's also the most expensive currently at the time of making this video, $182. So like I said earlier, if you're looking to buy any of these microphones or just even to check them out, everything's linked in the description down below. Out of the 4 microphones, let me list like their best features. So the first one, the Samson G Track Pro, I feel like that's like the best quality sounding microphone out of all of these. The second was the NT USB Mini from Rode, which is really simple to use. I would say it's a more simple version to set up and use than the G Track Pro, which is also easy to use, but it's a no frills kind of microphone. Get it going and you're ready to go. The third one would be the Rode USB-C directional microphone, which out of all of them, the most simple to get going, simple to use. And then lastly, this one, which is the Rode Wireless Go microphone, which most expensive, but also super versatile, a little bit more complicated to get going, but you can pretty much do anything you want with this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.